Imagine a plate roll that can roll any material, thick or thin, into a perfect cylinder every time without any shimming or rework. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dakota with WDM, and I'm excited to unveil to you today the new 430 series by Waldemar Design and Machine. This truly is going to be a game changer in the plate rolling industry. It takes our legendary 4-roll system and takes it to the next level. Let's dive in. Okay, so to roll a perfect cylinder, you need to have even pinch pressure across the entire width of your material, because if it's pinched too tight on the outside edges, it's going to roll into a barrel shape, causing the cylinder to touch on the ends and to be gapped in the middle. But if it's pinched too tightly in the middle, you're going to have an hourglass shape, and that's going to touch in the middle and be gapped on the edges. But why? How come? That's because in the plate rolling industry, it's standard for plate rolls to be supported on the ends of the rolls. But whenever you feed the material into the machine, the forces of that causes the rolls to deflect or to spread apart. And so in order to compensate for that, the industry crowns the rolls. So they're larger in diameter in the middle than they are at the edges. So that whenever you insert your material into it, and the force causes the rolls to spread apart, then now you have even pinch pressure across the entire width of the machine. That's great, right? And the answer is yes, but here's the problem. 1/4 inch material, let's say, is going to cause more force and deflect the rolls a greater distance than, say, a 20 gauge sheet. So what about a job shop or a production facility that's rolling 20 gauge one day, 1/4 inch the next, 3/8 the next? What are they going to do? They're going to have to buy multiple machines, or else they're going to have to shim to compensate for the crown. So you can add cardboard shims on your material to either effectively add crown or take crown away and get a perfect cylinder without having the barrel or hourglass shapes. But here's the problem. That's tedious and time consuming, and it's just really not that practical for people that are doing this every day and have high volumes. So a lot of times they end up having to buy multiple machines. But here's where the 430 series comes in. It has a new patent pending passive crown system. This automatically compensates for the deflection. And it does that by allowing the pinch and bending rolls to form to the deflection and adapt to the deflection of the top roll, and it causes even pinch pressure across the entire width of the machine, regardless of the material that's being entered, as long as it's within the capacity of the machine and wider than 12 inches. So every time you're going to get a perfect cylinder that doesn't have a barrel shape or an hourglass shape, and you're going to get that without having to crown the machine. It automatically does it. The only thing you have to adjust is the pinch pressure. So it's not just something that we came up with for spec's sake. The 430 series is here to revolutionize your shop, and it's going to do that by adding versatility, rolling thick material, thin material like we talked about. It's going to add versatility to your shop. It's going to add speed. No shimming, no rework. That means faster throughput, faster speed, better efficiency, and bottom line numbers that's going to increase your revenue. And lastly, it adds precision. Like we said, no hourglass, no barrel shapes, no some gapping to where you bring the bending roll up and try and squeeze it tighter together and quick tack weld it before you bring it off the machine. It's just going to be perfect every time. So, you ready to revolutionize your shop with a 430 series? Do you want to see the 430 series in person? Contact your machinery tool dealer today or visit www.wdmrolls.com and let us help you take your business to the next level and increase your bottom line and your offering to customers. Thanks for watching.